You wanted it to come back? The monster truck race. Monster Jam versus Hot Wheels. Let's do Bone Shaker versus Earth Shaker. It's nearly close. Bone Shaker did better. And he moves on to the next round. Let's do Dragon versus Tiger Shark. Since Tiger Shark is closer off the track, Dragon goes to the next round. Higher Education versus All We've Got. Higher Education. Let's see. It's either Roger Dodger or Grave Digger. Sorry, Grave Digger. Let's do Dragon versus Bone Shaker. He didn't do bad. Let's see. Bone Shaker, I'm sorry, you lost. Now, Roger Dodger versus Higher Education. Roger Dodger wins. It's Roger Dodger versus Dragon. Let's do it at the same time just like last time. Just kidding. Let's do it again. I have no idea. I have no idea. Do it again. Roger Dodger wins. Good job, Roger Dodger. The Hot Wheels Monster Trucks win. I'm sorry, Monster Trucks, but the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks win, and especially Roger Dodger. Bye.